Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about separation techniques. So before we get into separation techniques, how many in how many ways we can separate liquid from solid, solid and gas and etc. How can we separate them? Yeah, there are many methods and therefore separation techniques include the techniques which are used to separate any kind of mixtures. So now let's discuss about some of the following mixtures. Before we discuss about what are some of the mixtures, we'll discuss what a mixture is. Mixture is a combination of atoms, molecules, compounds and etc. This is what a mixture is. It's actually a combination of different substances. In fact, it is different substances. This is what a mixture is. Let's take one example of a mixture. Air. I know everyone knows that air comprises of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% of other gases such as CO2, argon, etc. Therefore, air is a mixture of gases. That's why air is a mixture. Now, coming to separation techniques. So, there are so many types of mixtures such as solid-solid, liquid-solid, liquid-liquid, gas. So these are some of the different kinds of mixtures. So in this video and coming videos, we'll discuss how can we separate these. First, let's get on with solid-solid. Solid makes a mixture of solid substances or a mixture of two solids. Examples are alloys like steel, brass, etc. These are solid mixtures. So now how can we separate solid mixtures? We can separate by 4 techniques. They are hand picking, sieving, winnowing, magnet, and sublimation. So in this video, we are going to discuss about hand picking. Hand picking is nothing but a technique used to separate large impure particles from a mixture. This means, let's take one example. Now, I have sand. Think this as sand. And your small pieces of paper in this type of sand. So now how will you separate this? You can do it by hand picking. So now, as you can see, the impure particles here, the paper are large. Therefore, they can be easily separated from mixture of sand and paper by hand picking. Now, in hand picking, we do it by hand. Therefore, that is what is hand picking. Now, let's go to sieving. Sieving. Sieving is a process in which smaller impure particles are separated by sieves. Whoever are not familiar about what is a sieve, I'll show you a picture. This is a sieve. So now you might be wondering, where are they used? They are used in construction sites to separate sand from rocks. The pure sand is separated from rocks in the machine called the sieving machine. From the left hand side, all the rocks fall down, whereas the sand will come as pure sand in it. So this is what is sieving and hand picking. So thank you. Please subscribe. Don't miss part 2.